Madam Chairman. This committee report is about the request of the DPWH for a resolution of no objection in relation to the tree cutting of one mahogany and one talisay tree for the project construction of road and drainage located in Sonto, Barangay Tabok-Suba, La Paz, Iloilo City, located inside the Lidesco Village subdivision, of which I am also a resident. Lidesco is a big village composed of many barangays. Partly is in Haro and partly it is in La Paz. No? And there is an ongoing road construction and drainage inside said village. So anyway, I have provided you with a copy. So they are just requesting for a certificate of no objection for the cutting of said trees mentioned. And the DPWH is also obliged to plant as a replacement for said trees. No? So this is not new. No? I think everybody knows what is happening when a tree is cut. No? You have to replace 100 trees. And actually, I am proposing to pass an ordinance that trees should also be planted within the city. Kundi doon dapat portion of that will be also planted in the city of Iloilo for the greening of trees. So if you will allow just me to read the recommendation. So in view of the foregoing, the undersigned committee recommends for the passage of a resolution of no objection to the DPWH and to the ICDEO. No? So despite our relations with the Iloilo City District Engineering Office, we will still accommodate because this is for the good of the city. No? Hindi niya personal na ito na away in relation to the cutting of one mahogany tree and one talisay tree affected by the construction, rehabilitation of road and drainage located in Sunto 6th Street inside Lidesco Village, Barangay Tabok-Suba, La Paz, Iloilo City. So, may I move for the adoption of this committee report? So move.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Thank you. And corollary to the committee report, may be allowed to pass a resolution on objection to the request of the Department of Public Works and Highways for a resolution of no objection to cut said trees. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Thank you.